Hello everyone, we are going to see the geotechnical practical, that is soil mechanics practical in this lecture series. And the first practical that we are going to see is the determination of specific gravity by pyknometer. Okay, so we are going to determine the specific gravity of a soil, fine grained soil, by the help of pyknometer. So this is the instrument. What is specific gravity first? So specific gravity is the ratio of oven dry soil, weight of oven dry soil or mass of oven dry soil divided by equal volume of the distilled water. Okay, so this is the pyknometer. This instrument is called as pyknometer, which consists of glass jar, then the brass cap and this cover. Okay, so the instrument required are pyknometer, then we need soil and distilled water, weighing balance, and two types of sieves, that is one 4.75 mm sieve and 75 micron sieve. So we have to take the soil for sampling purpose, which is passing through 4.75 mm sieve and retained on this 75 micron sieve. Okay, and this is the pan. Now the procedure is, first we have to sieve the soil from these sieves, and the retained soil on the 75 micron, that we will take it as sample. So we have to weigh the 200 to 400 gram of soil sample on this weighing balance. Then we have to put it in this pyknometer. So the procedure I will explain later. First we will weigh the soil as 300 gram of soil on this weighing balance. So it will take approximately 300 gram of soil. Okay. So 300 gram of soil is here. Now we have to place that soil in this sieve, that is 4.75 mm. Now we place the lid and shake this for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so shaking is done. Now the sample we will take, which is retained on 75 mm micron sieve. Okay, so first what we have to do, the procedure is, we have to weigh this empty pyknometer and take that reading, that is mass of this pyknometer, as M1. Okay, so we will write that value as M1. Then secondly, we have to put this soil in the pyknometer. Okay, and the weight of pyknometer plus soil, we have to take it, that reading, as M2. And then after that we have to add the distilled water in this pyknometer and soil, and we have to stir that soil and water for avoiding the coagulation of air. Okay, so accumulation of air, for avoiding that we have to stir that water with the glass rod. Then weight that mass as M3. Okay, so we will take that mass as M3, and then we have to empty this jar, we have to empty this pyknometer, and we have to wash it and fill it completely with the distilled water only. Okay, so up to this mark we have to fill that pyknometer and take that mass as M4. Okay, so we will have at the end four quantities there, M1, M2, M3 and M4, and on the basis of formula that we will see, we can calculate the specific gravity. Okay, so first step, we have to weigh this jar as, we have to weigh the pyknometer as M1. Okay, so the reading is somewhat 264.2 gram. This reading is 624.2 grams. Okay, so this is, I will record this as M1. Then we have to fill that soil. So whatever amount we are taking, Okay, so we'll take this reading as M2. It is 920.2 gram. Okay, so this is M2. Now what we have to do, we have to add water, distilled water in this pycnometer. Okay, so with soil in the pycnometer, we have to add the water continuous stirring into the pycnometer. Okay, so firstly we can add up to the half of its depth, and then we'll apply stirring. Okay, so this is to avoid the accumulation of air voids in the soil. So we have to stir the soil simultaneously, and we have to add water. Now we will place this glass cap, and we will add more water up to this mark. Okay, from above. So we have to add amount of water up to this mark, and we have to wipe up excess water. Now we will weight this and take that reading as M3, that is mass 3. So it is 1692.0 grams. Okay, so this is M3 reading. Now we have to empty this pycnometer completely, wash it and fill it with distilled water. So we have filled the pycnometer with distilled water, apply the cap and add more amount up to this mark. Okay, so we have filled this distilled water completely. Now excess water should be wiped out. Then we have to weigh this pycnometer with distilled water and take it as M4, that is 1523.6 gram. Okay, so this is fourth reading, that is 1523.5 grams, and this is the M4 reading. So we have now M1, M2, M3 and M4, 4 readings, and on the basis of formula we are going to calculate the specific gravity of the particular soil. Okay, so ideally we have to take the 3 such readings for same soil, and we have to do the average of the 3 readings. Okay, so let's see what formula is. Okay, so this is the determination of specific gravity by of soil by pycnometer. We have taken M1, M2, M3 and M4. So this M1 is the weight of pycnometer. Now M2 is the weight of pycnometer plus soil. Third M3 is weight of pycnometer plus soil plus distilled water. Now M4 is weight of pycnometer plus water only. Okay, so we have this 4 reading. We have to take 3 such readings for one particular soil. This is one reading. I'm going to show you this formula. Okay, so this is the formula for specific gravity determination of soil by pycnometer. So M2 minus M1 divided by M2 minus M1 minus M3 minus M4. So we are going to put the value, that is M2, it is 920.2 minus 624.2 divided by 920.2 minus 624.2 minus 1692.0 minus 1523.6. Okay, so putting values in this formula, we get 296 divided by 296 minus 164, and by placing the value, doing the calculation, we can find out the specific gravity of the particular soil is 2.32. Okay, so this is specific gravity. Okay, thank you.